And remember, get your hair done this week, because you starting to look like the bitches we be talking about.
I decided that today I'm gonna pour into me. I decided that I'm gonna...
Hey girl, welcome back. I got a new wig here from Luvme Hair. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in the packaging. Starting off, we have the wig, of course, and we'll get into all the details of this wig in just a moment. They've also included a custom hair clip, a mesh storage bag to help store your wigs. There's also a box label card in case you decide to store your wig inside the box. There's also a really cute custom beauty sponge, and they included these custom Velcro strips. I'm not exactly sure what they're for, but they did include those as well. Also, a set of HD wig caps and this really detailed user guide and info card. Now, this wig from Luvme Hair is a part of their new all-day comfort collection. This is the light Yaki straight layered wig. This unit comes with a 7x6 pre-everything HD lace closure, and pre-everything meaning it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, and pre-cut. And this unit is 100% glueless with several enhancements designed to keep your wig secure and fit all day. There is a removable comb at the back of the wig, an adjustable silicone elastic band, C-shaped cutouts around the ears for a really nice and comfortable fit. This wig also features the flexi fit caps for extra stretch and comfort. And instead of the standard adjustable straps, this wig has 3 smart clips in the back of the wig so that you can adjust the wig perfectly to your head size. This wig does come in 3 different textures and 8 different lengths. I have here the layered light Yaki straight wig in the 24 inches. Now let me go ahead and show you what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I do have my hair already prepped and under a wig cap. I do have a bit of a small head, so I do have this wig already adjusted to the smallest size and the clips, and I also went ahead and adjusted the elastic band. This unit is very quick and easy to put on. It also fits very snug to your head. This flexi fit cap literally just melts and molds to your head. Alright, that is how the wig looks straight out of the box. Beautiful, gorgeous, but let's make it look better. I am a woman of a darker complexion, so I tend to have to go in and tint my lace. I'm going to be using my favorite lace tint spray. This one here is from Kiss in the shade Dark Brown. I love it. It's quick drying and it's peach scented. So I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off and spray some of that lace tint spray all over the lace to help it blend in with my skin. And now that the lace is tinted to perfection, let me go ahead and put it back on so you can see the full potential of this unit. Now, I did mention earlier that this is a 100% glueless wig, and although it does have a lot of amazing features, to me what stands out the most in making it an amazing glueless wig is this 3D dome shaped lace closure. I have tried a few wigs similar to this one from other hair companies, and what makes this wig different from those is this 3D dome lace closure. It lays super flat and very snug on your head, and I do not have to worry about any lifting or sliding with this unit. And this is a 7x6 lace closure, so although it may come pre-parted on the left side, you can of course part this wig wherever or however you like. I've actually been wearing this unit for about 2 weeks now, and I restyled it in the middle part. It looks so good in the middle part, girl. I also straighten the ends just a little bit to get rid of that sort of bump and make it a little bit more flowy and silky. But girl, I love this wig. And you know, while I go ahead and play with it a little bit, that's what you're gonna see in these clips. Let me go ahead and tell you my final thoughts and opinions on this wig. Like I said, I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks now and it's been holding up very well. I haven't experienced much shedding or tangling. I will not say that it doesn't tangle at all. If I'm being honest, it does tangle a little bit at the very back of the wig, but it's actually very easy to untangle. All I have to do is take my wig brush and brush it a few times and it comes right out. The hair is very silky, very soft, and I think that helps with keeping it tangle free. I love the light yaki texture. I think the first impression straight out of the box, it doesn't really show you the full potential of the wig because it did come with a few bumps and waves from the shipping. Now, like I said, I did straighten it a little bit and got rid of those impressions, and after that, the hair looks amazing. I look like a black Rapunzel, like it's giving silk press. It looks so good. I have not experienced any balding or thinning in the lace. I am thinking about curling this unit. It's really long, but I'm thinking about curling it because it is layered. I know the curls will look gorgeous. So if you want to see what this wig will look like curled, let me know down in the comment section and I'll make a tutorial for that. But my final rating for this wig would definitely be 5 stars. 5 stars hands down. The packaging is amazing. The fit and the construction of the wig is super comfortable and secure, and I absolutely love this style and the softness and the lusciousness of this hair. I have had several Yaki straight wigs from different companies, other companies, and they have all felt like carpet. This wig does not have that same feeling. It's Yaki straight, but it still feels very soft and very silky and very smooth. With that being said, if you're interested in trying this wig out for yourself, I will have the direct link and all the details down below. You can use our special coupon code. I'll put it right here on the screen at the checkout to save 28% off of your total orders. And if you're not interested in this specific wig, you can still use our coupon code to save on any orders made from Luvme Hair website. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed making it for you. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.